Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorials. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is security control, data security model. This is like this hierarchy is given here: object level security, field level security, record level security. In record level security, OWD is there, role hierarchy is there, sharing rules. It is categorized into owner-based sharing rules and criteria-based sharing rules, manual sharing, and Apex-based sharing. Security control. Salesforce provides a comprehensive and flexible data security model to secure data at different levels. In Salesforce, data is stored in three key constructors to secure access on object, field, record. Object level security similar to table in database, field level security similar to columns in table, record level security similar to rows in table. Object level security. In this we are preventing users or group of users from view, edit, create, delete an object by setting permission on an object. Profile. Profile is a collection of settings and permissions. Every user must have profile. Profile should have at least one app. It is of restrictive nature. Profile can be assigned to any user, but user can be assigned to only one profile. Profile are of two types: standard profile provided by Salesforce, custom profile, clone standard profile and use it. Permission set. Permission set is a collection of settings and permissions. It is used to extend the permission. One user can be assigned to many permission set. It is an adaptive in nature. It extends user functional access without changing their profile. Field level security. It controls whether a user can view and edit the value for a particular field on an object. It is configured for a user's profile. Using field level security (FLS), administrator can controls whether a user can see, edit and delete. Record level security. Salesforce provides 5 ways to share record. OWD organization-wide sharing default determines baseline level of access for all records of an object. Who is the most restricted user of this object? Is there ever going to be an instance of this object that this user shouldn't be allowed to view, edit? Role hierarchy. Manager will have access to the records of his/her subordinates. Users who tend to need access to the same types of records can be grouped together. Sharing rules. Managed sharing should be created only for objects whose OWD is set public read only or private. Sharing rule only extend the access, they can't restrict the access. Sharing rules are of two types: owner-based sharing rule, criteria-based sharing rules. Manual sharing, user-managed sharing. Sharing records individually with other users using share button on record. Apex-based sharing, Apex-managed sharing. For example, create an object by the name object A and don't make it visible to user A at network.com. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. So for the assignment, first we need to create one object by the name object A. So for that, click setup, build, create objects, new custom object, provide the label object A, object A. Here record name is object A name, okay. Data type text, okay, fine. allow reports, activities and field history checked, allow search checked, click on save button to visible on the tabs. First we need to click on tabs, new, object A, choose style, click next, default on for EMS, save. So object A is created. This object I don't want to show in the other account, user A. So for this, what I have to do, first I need to click on setup, go with that profile. I am going with directly users profile, EMS system admin. Here object A is there. So if I am going to log in with the another account, user A at network.com, see whether I am able to see that object A or not. So here I am not able to see that object A. Thank you.